Hello. Hello, Jennifer. Where are you off to?
Hi, Alan. I'm up to the culture show wearable art event.
That sounds like fun. Can I come too?
Sure, jump in.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Culture Shock Wearable Art event. Oh, it's raining out there. And speaking of raining, that's Jen's discovery today. Okay, Jen, tell us about raining.
Sure thing, Alan. Now, it always rains sometimes. It always happens every rainy day. It's so wet and cold and a bit gloomy. And there are clouds in the sky, with raindrops falling down one by one.
Oh, brilliant. Okay, next up it's time for Cindy's nighttime adventure. Your turn now, Cindy.
Thanks, Alan. You know what? Instead of being gloomy and stuck inside, I'm going to dance in the rain. Wanna come? It's a rainy day today. Gonna dance the gloom away. Puddles, puddles on the ground. Gonna hop gently all around. It's a rainy day today. Gonna dance the gloom away. Puddles, puddles on the ground. Gonna hop gently all around. Oh, and watch out for that puddle, Cindy.
Magnificent. You know what? I like it when sorts of animals get to act like humans. So, let's turn a peacock into a princess. And here's Ken with his animal show.
Right, Galen. In this week's animal show, I'm going to present you a special animal princess.
Hi, I'm Princess Patrice Peacock.
Princess Patrice Peacock, Your Majesty. Okay. It's time to spend time with Maria, walking along the river.
Okay, Galen. The river obviously goes along under every bridge, and it leads all the way to the ocean. The river starts with a stream. Where does the stream start from? Who knows? But it goes a long way.
Fancy that. It's a beautiful, flowing, sparkly river. Now, what's next? Oh yes, the fairy god sister. And that means it's time for this week's character of the week.
Hi, I'm Belle Dandy. The rain also gets blown by the wind. The wind even blows leaves and sticks. That gives me an idea. You can bring the outside inside and make your very own mini tree out of twigs. Now, to make a mini tree, arrange your twigs in the shape of a tree. When you're happy with your tree, Stick it all down with glue and leave it to dry. This tree's looking a bit leafless. Let's add some leaves. Add blobs of glue and stick dried peas and beans on them. Look! The peas and beans are all over the branches to look like leaves and on the ground as the grass. If you want to make a sparkly tree, you can use glitter. Wow, it looks fantastic, doesn't it? And if you like this idea, you could paint the background as a night sky and make a scary tree with bats. Ooh, scary. But if you don't like bats, then you can do some stars. Oh, it's so beautiful. So try making a mini tree out of twigs.
You know what? People often ask me one of my top 6 ideas of raining. Why don't we take a look? Let's join Capasco with his countdown.
Thanks, Ganglen. I have 6 suggestions. Number 6. Can you guess what this is? No, it's Umbrella. It looks sorta like the one from Sweet Seasons, but it doesn't have a finished look yet. And he's dancing daft. Number 5 is watering. Looks like he's watering his own throat. Do you think that's funny? Well, I do, because he's acting kind of silly, don't you think? Number 4 is play ball in the rain. Looks like he's playing ball in the rain. It looks a bit silly, don't you think? But you can't really play tennis in the rain because Hey, where did it go? Number 3 is the river towel. Looks like an ordinary towel to me. And it's just a fake river. And river towels have no reflections. Oh well. Number 2 is, hey, it's raining worms. Doesn't really look like worms to me. He's just pretending that there were raining worms around. That's kind of like a funny trick to me. And here's suggestion number 1. Flash freeze. Now, if you like the look of lightning, you can play flash freeze whatever you want. But don't worry, the lightning won't scare you. Do you think this is too scary for you? Oh, don't worry. Perhaps you can do it for your own way.
Flash freeze. Wow, that's great. Uh-oh. Yeah, that storm. Okay, I guess it's time we play the game of Flash Freeze. Good luck, everyone. Ha ha! Flash Freeze!